two-wall line dance. Okay, we're going to travel to the right. We start with step, lock, step, and shuffle with the right. Step, lock, cha-cha-cha, rock, recover, chase to the left. Then we're going to do cross, open, cross, and cross. So, cross, open, cross, and cross. Then we're going to do the heel and toe maneuver, rocking chair. And heel, and toe, and heel, and flip. Step, lock, shuffle with the left. Rock, recover, shuffle with the right. Step and turn, shuffle with the left. Rock, recover, sailor step to the left. Step, lock, shuffle with the left. Rock, recover, chase to the right. Cross, open, cross, and heel, and toe, and heel. Flip, step, lock, shuffle with the right. Rock, recover, shuffle half turn. Step, turn, shuffle with the right. Rock, recover, coaster step or sailor step.